When a ball rolls across the pitch, it traces a path. In mathematics, we call the path traced by a moving point a locus. Today we construct loci step by step. A locus is the set of all points that satisfy a particular condition. Think of it as a rule that tells the point where it can move. Rule 1. Points at a fixed distance from one point form a circle. If we want all points 3 cm from point A, we draw a circle with radius 3 cm. Rule 2. Points equidistant from 2 points lie on the perpendicular bisector. Every point on this line is the same distance from both A and B. Worked example 1. Construct the locus of points 4 cm from point P. Step 1. Place compass point at P. Step 2. Set radius to 4 cm and draw a complete circle. Every point on this circle is exactly 4 cm from P. Any point inside is less than 4 cm. Any point outside is more than 4 cm. The circle is our answer. Worked example 2. Construct the locus of points equidistant from X and Y. Step 1. Draw arcs from X, then from Y with same radius. This perpendicular bisector joins the intersection point. It cuts XY at 90 degrees and divides it exactly in half. Test. Pick any point on the line and measure to X and Y. Common mistake. Students draw a circle around both points instead of the perpendicular bisector. Remember, equidistant from 2 points means a straight line between them, not a circle. Memory aid. 1 point gives you a circle, 2 points give you a line in the middle. Always use a compass for circles and a ruler for bisectors. Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more step-by-step lessons. Visit ovasaabi.com to practice more loci constructions and ace your exams.